Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can keep your phone screen on always. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings and scroll right down to the bottom until you see about phone. So you want to tap on that, then select software information near the bottom. Then you should see build number. So what you'll need to do is just tap on there several times. And then it should ask you to enter in a PIN if you have one set up on your phone. And just select continue. Then you should see developer mode has been enabled. So all you need to do is just come out of here. If you scroll right down the bottom again, you should see developer options. So you want to tap on that. This will just bring up loads of advanced options and settings you can change around. Obviously, if you want your phone to stay awake, you can just toggle that option on there, and it'll just let you know your screen will never sleep while charging. So that's the only thing you'll have to do, is make sure your phone's on charge, then your phone screen will never turn off. Thanks for watching.